Now we're skipping number 2, 3, 4, and 5 because there's not really a good way to do that over video. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump up to number 1 now. So the first thing they're going to have you do is they're going to have 3 time signatures at the beginning of the song here, or the line. Like if you look right here, you've got right there, you've got all 3 time signatures, 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4. So you just circle which one you hear being played. Now to do that, to help you find out which one to use, they are going to tap it out on the piano. So they're going to play 4 measures of just quarter notes, but they're going to accent the first count of every measure. Now remember, to accent means to make it louder. So for example, if it was 2/4, it would go like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. If it was 4/4, it'd go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So when they're tapping out those notes, just count along with them, and every time you hear a loud note, that's your cue to say 1 again. So just count along, be like 1, 2, oh, there's a loud note again, that's 1 again, and then just start fresh with 1 and keep going, and that'll help you know. So I want you to write which time signature you hear. All you need to do is take a piece of paper, draw a line this way, draw the 2 double bar lines at the end, 3 lines in the middle, spread out a little bit, and then a single line at the front. So which time signature would this be? Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and give you the answer, because if we start the rest of the problem without having that correct, it'll be a train wreck. So hopefully you got 3/4 there, and because that's the time signature that I just tapped out, because I made every third count, well, the first of every 3 counts nice and loud. So right after you get your time signature, I want you to write it at the beginning. At Student Day, you'll just circle which one is correct. The minute you finish doing that and you know what the numbers are, write the counts underneath every measure. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Or if it's 4/4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If it's 2/4, 1, 2. So it should look like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now when you're doing the rhythm dictation, all you have to do, instead of drawing the whole notes, just put a dash over each count that you hear a note being played. And that will help you know how many counts each of those notes gets. So we are going to try, let's see, try one of these now. So go ahead and get ready to write. So here we go. Here's your rhythm pattern. Okay, so I'm going to play it again, but feel free to go back and listen to it as many times as you can, or need to, I should say. So here we go again. Okay, so like I said, go back and listen to it as many times as you need to, and your music should come out looking kind of like this, with little dashes over the counts. If it's 1 count, you put the dash over each number. If it gets 2 counts, you put a dash over the 1, but not number 2, because then that tells you that 1 note gets 2 counts. If they had a 3 count note, put a dash over 1, but don't put anything over 2 and 3. Then you know that the note gets 3 counts. So after you do that, turn them all into whatever notes they are, quarter note, half note, dotted half note, or whole note. And then that should give you your answer. Now, after you finish writing all these answers down, I want you to take a picture of your page and text it to me right away so I can check it. If something's wrong, we're going to go back and we're going to keep practicing whatever these are, and I can even send you some more problems to practice. But I have to know right away. So please let me know if you need any help, and then text me the photo of your work that you did. And watch these videos as many times as you need to. If I were you and I had this big event coming up that I wanted to do well at, I would spend a lot of time watching these videos to get where I need to be ready to go. So hopefully you'll be just as motivated. So we only have a few more days, and then all the stuff will be behind you, and we can focus on the pieces, the songs. So You're almost there. Woohoo! So let me know if you have any questions. Send me a picture of your paper, and I'll talk to you later.